Seng Kongres kebadan yo MP haka Lok Sabha haka arpsan terik nailar araja arpsan kalaong baka jela menta kahla hab ban pai din biang shaki porberem baki Samla kin Leit Kaikhlaw bandan benta haki kamle no yakani lakran dau Saleng sang mau MP ke Kongres Natura Parliamentary Constituency ublaong baka long ke basngosi ban yoi baka DGP Meghalaya dangshan ke penpau bagi dan ki Samla ki bala Rung bat pai shaki kamle no Ulong ban pendu iki kam sniu ke Shong hakamon sanhima baklanjong ke Sorkar bat menswa ke Kongres kala pendu yaki kam pentrium daki Leit no.
It's not about this. For example, our state was once, even the Northeast was characterized as a militant zone area. Somehow the Congress has managed to, clear the path, wipe certain antisocial activities and brought it to peace. But it was so disturbing that just recently our DGP has announced that our youths has gone back for the training and some of them has already come back. That means partially their family, our family, Meghalaya family is destroyed and destroying again. So what were they doing in these years? When Congress has brought Meghalaya to peace, again they're pushing our youths back to the jungle and giving them this kind of training, which is very, very dangerous for our state, for our youths. Giving them training, making them drugs addict, making them, HIV positive. Where is our society going? I don't know. I would request through the media, through the people of the state, at least we should learn what has happened and what is happening so that we make a better choice in the days to come. Instead of catching the drug mafias, they sent our Christian nuns to the jail. So this is the attitude and mindset of the government. Yeah, because they don't have a will, they don't have a will. Because they don't have a political will at all to finish this drugs abuse, to finish this corruption, to finish this kind of antisocial activity. That's why such incidents is happening every now.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balei hi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya